Cavities. Nobody likes them, and yet everybody gets them, especially children. Tooth decay is actually the single most common chronic childhood disease. It's actually 5 times more common than asthma, 4 times more common than obesity, and 20 times more common than diabetes. But the real question is, how exactly do cavities form? All it takes are 3 things: a susceptible surface or your tooth, plaque, that's bacteria that lives in your mouth, and carbohydrates or sugars, meaning things like bread that can cause acid to form in your mouth. Cavities go beyond pain and possible infection, but they can even affect children's sleeping, their eating, and even their speech. The best way to avoid tooth decay is to stop it before it can even happen. But to do this, we have to remember prevention is key, and there are many things you as a parent can do to stop decay before it happens. Snacking is something kids do all the time, but that just gives bacteria the perfect time to hang around and cause cavities. To avoid letting bacteria sit around, try to have your child rinse their mouth after snacking to wash out that bacteria so it doesn't have time to attach to the tooth. Next, let's talk about toothbrushing. Kids should be brushing twice a day for at least 2 minutes. Parents can even supervise and help out kids to make sure they're reaching every part of the tooth, and brushing together is a great way to show your child what to do. Remember to use a pea-sized amount of fluoridated toothpaste and make sure your child spits out the toothpaste and does not swallow it. Flossing is also key. How else would we reach those in-between areas of our teeth? Remember when flossing that you want to teach your child the C-shape method, meaning each time you go down to the bottom of your teeth, you wrap the floss along each side of the tooth. It's also important to remember to visit a dentist and dental hygienist twice a year for an oral exam and cleaning so they can make sure everything is healthy and looking good. Remembering to do these home care methods can help your child build good habits that they will keep for a lifetime and can stop cavities before they even happen. So save yourself the expense, but most importantly the stress of tooth decay, and stop it before it happens. Your child will thank you too.